Are you in your 20s and trying to set yourself up for financial success? Well, if you want to avoid struggling with debt and missed opportunities, listen up. Today, we're diving into the top 3 money mistakes you need to avoid in your 20s to achieve financial freedom. Mistake 1. Lifestyle inflation. You might have heard the phrase before. It's when you start earning more, and instead of saving, you start spending more. You get a raise at work, and suddenly, that new car, those weekly takeouts, and high-end gadgets become a norm. In your 20s, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with every increase in income. But let me tell you, this is a dangerous habit. Instead of growing your wealth, you're just increasing your expenses. Here's what you should do instead. Keep your expenses constant, even after a raise, and direct that extra income into investments or savings. Think about it this way. If you can save even half of each pay raise, by the time you reach your 30s, you'll have built a solid financial safety net. And that's what will help you achieve financial freedom faster. Money mistake 2. Ignoring investing early. Trust me on this. Investing in your 20s is like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the sooner it grows, and eventually, it bears fruit for decades to come. If you ignore investing early, you're losing one of the most powerful tools in finance: compound interest. If you start investing at 25, even if you invest just $100 a month, by the time you're 60, you could have over $300,000, assuming an average annual return of 8%. If you wait until you're 35 to start, you'll end up with just $130,000. That's a $170,000 difference just because of a 10-year delay. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or even just your company's 401k can get you started. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday, and the next best time is today. Mistake 3. Getting caught in high-interest debt. Credit cards can feel like free money, but when you only make the minimum payment, those interest rates can end up costing you a fortune. Let me be clear, credit cards are useful, but only if you pay off the balance in full every month. Carrying a balance on a card that charges 20% interest can trap you in a cycle that's hard to escape. High-interest debt not only keeps you financially chained but also prevents you from putting that money into things that can grow your wealth. Instead of letting credit card debt snowball, start with a plan to pay it down first and quickly. Use the avalanche method by focusing on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, or the snowball method by paying off smaller debts first for psychological momentum. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you get to keep. Don't let high-interest debt steal your future. Your 20s are the best time to build a strong foundation for your future. Avoiding these 3 mistakes, lifestyle inflation, delaying investments, and carrying high-interest debt, will put you miles ahead of your peers on the road to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips on how to make smart money decisions and secure your financial future. And remember, your 20s are the best time to make choices that will shape the rest of your life, so let's make them count.